Hello everyone, and welcome back to Dazonn Technologies. Today, we will be discussing a very important topic for all bloggers: the 5 best free SEO tools that can help you improve your website's search engine rankings and take your blogging game to the next level. So, let's dive right in. Number 1, Google Search Console. This free tool offers valuable insights into how Google sees your site. You can track your site's performance, monitor search queries, and even identify and fix issues that might be affecting your SEO. It's a must-have for any blogger serious about optimizing their website for search engines. Number 2, Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is an all-in-one SEO tool that helps you with keyword research, competitor analysis, and site audit. The best part? A significant portion of its features is available for free. You can uncover new keyword opportunities, analyze your competitors' strategies, and make data-driven decisions to boost your SEO efforts. Number 3, Yoast SEO Plugin. This plugin simplifies the on-page SEO process, from optimizing your content for specific keywords to improving your site's readability. Yoast guides you through every step. It's user-friendly and a must-install for bloggers looking to enhance their content's search engine visibility. Number 4, Mozbar. This tool provides instant metrics while you surf the web, giving you insights into the domain authority and page authority of websites. Mozbar is a fantastic resource for competitor analysis and quick SEO checks. Plus, it's free and incredibly easy to use. Number 5, Answer the Public. This unique tool helps you discover what questions people are asking related to your niche. By understanding user queries, you can create content that directly addresses their needs. Answer the Public provides insights that go beyond typical keyword research, making it a valuable asset for bloggers aiming to provide relevant and helpful content. And there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best free SEO tools for blogging. Remember, optimizing your website for search engines is an ongoing process, and having the right tools can significantly boost your chances of success. Let us know in the comments if you've used any of these tools or if you have other favorites. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dazonn Technologies for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. You can stay up to date with our latest news and exciting content by following us on social media. Thank you for your attention.